x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় করো। সাইন ইনভার্স x ধরি y ইকুয়ালস টু সাইন ইনভার্স x, উভয় পক্ষকে x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরীকরণ করে পাই, উভয় পক্ষকে x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরীকরণ করে পাই ddx y equals to ddx sin inverse x equals to 1 divided by root over 1 minus ax whole square equals to এখানে হচ্ছে into ddx ax হবে, কেননা root over 1 minus ax whole square যে সূত্র অনুযায়ী আসছে সাইন ইনভার্স এক্স এর, অ্যাকচুয়ালি সাইন ইনভার্স এক্স এর সূত্র না, সাইন ইনভার্স এক্স যেহেতু তাই আবার ডিডিএক্স এক্স হয়েছে। অতএব ডিডিএক্স সাইন ইনভার্স এক্স ইকুয়ালস টু a divided by root over 1 minus a square x square। x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় করো। tan inverse x by a ধরি y equals to tan inverse x by a, অতএব ddx of y equals to ddx of tan inverse x by a equals to 1 divided by 1 plus x square by a square into ddx of x by a equals to 1 divided by a square plus x square divided by a square into 1 by a ddx of x equals to a square by a square plus x square into 1 by a into 1 equals to a divided by a square plus x square। 31 নম্বর, x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় করো। tan inverse e to the power x ddx tan inverse e to the power x equals to 1 divided by 1 plus e to the power x square ddx e to the power x equals to 1 divided by 1 plus e to the power 2x into ddx e to the power x কে বলে e to the power x হয়, তো e to the power x থাকতেছে equals to e to the power x divided by 1 plus e to the power 2x। x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় tan inverse b by a tan x equals to ddx tan inverse b by a tan x equals to 1 by 1 plus b square by a square tan square x ddx b by a tan x equals to 1 by a square plus b square tan square x divided by a square into b by a dx tan x equals to a square by a square plus b square tan square x into b by a sec square x equals to a b sec square x by a square plus b square tan square x x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় tan inverse sin e to the power x dx tan inverse sin e to the power x equals to 1 divided by 1 plus sin e to the power x whole square sin e to the power x whole square dx sin e to the power x equals to cos e to the power x divided by 1 plus sin square e to the power x and dx of e to the power x equals to e to the power x cos e to the power x divided by 1 plus sin square e to the power x x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় a to the power sin inverse x ddx a to the power sin inverse x equals to a to the power sin inverse x ln a ddx sin inverse x equals to a to the power sin inverse x ln a 1 by root over 1 minus x square 7 নম্বর x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় tan to the power ln sec inverse x ধরি y equals to 10 to the power ln sec inverse x উভয় পক্ষকে x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরীকরণ করে পাই ddx y equals to ddx 10 to the power sec inverse x equals to 10 to the power ln sec inverse x ln 10 ddx ln sec inverse x equals to 10 to the power ln sec inverse x ln 10 1 by sec inverse x ddx of sec inverse x equals to 10 to the power ln sec inverse x into ln 10 into 1 by sec inverse x into 1 by x root x square minus 1 x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় tan x sin inverse x dtx tan x sin inverse x equals to tan x ddx sin inverse x plus sin inverse x ddx tan x equals to tan x divided by root over 1 minus x square plus sin inverse x sec square x. x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয়। x square plus 1 into tan inverse x minus x ddx of x square plus 1 tan inverse x minus x equals to ddx x square plus 1 into tan inverse x minus ddx of x equals to x square plus 1 ddx tan inverse x plus tan inverse x ddx of x square plus 1 minus 1 equals to x square plus 1 into 1 by 1 plus x square plus 2x tan inverse x minus 1 equals to 1 plus 2x tan inverse x minus 1 equals to 2x tan inverse x. 10 নম্বর x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয়। x square sin inverse 1 minus x ddx of x square sin inverse 1 minus x equals to x square ddx sin inverse 1 minus x plus sin inverse 1 minus x ddx x square equals to x square 1 divided by root over 1 minus x whole square ddx 1 minus x plus sin inverse 1 minus x into 2x equals to x square by root over 1 minus 1 plus 2x minus x square into minus 1 plus 2x sin inverse 1 minus x equals to minus x square by root over 2x minus x square plus 2x sin inverse 1 minus x equals to 2x sin inverse 1 minus x minus x square by root 2x minus x square. এটা আনসার। x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয়। sin inverse root x e to the power x ddx of sin inverse root over x e to the power x equals to 1 by root over 1 minus x e to the power x ddx root x e to the power x equals to 1 by root over 1 minus x e to the power x 1 by 2 root x into the power x ddx x e to the power x equals to 1 by root over 1 minus x e to the power x into 1 by 2 root x e to the power x into e to the power x ddx x plus x ddx e to the power x equals to 1 by root over 1 minus x e to the power x into 1 by 2 root x e to the power x into e to the power x plus x e to the power x equals to e to the power x into 1 plus x divided by 2 root x e to the power x into 1 minus x e to the power x. x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় root over sin inverse x to the power 5 ddx of root over sin inverse x to the power 5 equals to 1 divided 2 root sin inverse x to the power 5 ddx sin inverse x to the power 5 equals to 1 divided 2 root sin inverse x to the power 5 into 1 divided root over 1 minus x to the power 10 ddx x to the power 5 equals to 5x to the power 4 by 2 root 1 minus x to the power 10 into sin inverse x to the power 5. x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় tan sin inverse x the ddx of tan sin inverse x equals to sec square sin inverse x ddx sin inverse x. সমকোণী ত্রিভুজ লম্ব x অতিভুজমান অতএব ভূমি হয়েছে রুট ওভার 1 মাইনাস এক্স স্কোয়ার তাহলে এখান থেকে লেখা যাবে sec square sec inverse 1 by root over 1 minus x square into 1 by root over 1 minus x square equals to sec into sec inverse 1 by root over 1 minus x square whole square into 1 by root over 1 minus x square equals to 1 by 1 minus x square into root over 1 minus x square equals to 1 minus x square to the power minus 3 by 2. Answer. x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় sec tan inverse x ধরি y equals to sec tan inverse x লম্ব বাই ভূমিতে হইতেছে x মান তাহলে হচ্ছে অতিভুজ হবে রুট ওভার 1 প্লাস এক্স স্কোয়ার বা y equals to sec into sec inverse root over 1 plus x square বা y equals to root over 1 plus x square অতএব ddx of y equals to ddx of root over 1 plus x square equals to 1 divided by 2 root 1 plus x square ddx of 1 plus x square equals to 1 divided by 2 root 1 plus x square into 2x. অতএব ddx of sec tan inverse x equals to x divided by root over 1 plus x square. x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয়। tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square ধরি y equals to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square বা y equals to 2 tan inverse x। অতএব dy by dx equals to 2 divided by 1 plus x square। x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয়। sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square ধরি y equals to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square বা y equals to 2 tan inverse x। तब dy by dx equals to 2 by 1 plus x square। x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয়। cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square ধরি y equals to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square। y equals to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square বা y equals to 2 tan inverse x। तब dy by dx cos 2 by 1 plus x square। x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয়। sec inverse 1 plus x square by 1 minus x square ধরি y equals to sec inverse 1 plus x square by 1 minus x square বা y equals to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square বা y equals to 2 tan inverse x। অতএব dy by dx equals to 2 by 1 plus x square। x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয়। tan inverse 2 root x by 1 minus x ধরি y equals to tan inverse 2 root x divided by 1 minus x বা y equals to tan inverse 2 into root x by 1 minus root over x whole square equals to 2 tan inverse root over x বা dy by dx equals to 2 into 1 by 1 plus root over x whole square d dx root over x equals to 2 into 1 by 1 plus x into 1 by 2 root x equals to 1 by root over x into 1 plus x। answer x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয়। tan inverse 4x by 1 minus 4x square ধরে y equals to tan inverse 4x by 1 minus 4x square equals to tan inverse 2 into 2x by 1 minus 2x square equals to 2 tan inverse 2x বা dy by dx equals to ddx 2 tan inverse 2x equals to 2 into 1 by 1 plus 2x whole square ddx 2x equals to 2 into 1 by 1 plus 4x square into 2 equals to 4 divided by 1 plus 4x square. যে সাত x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় tan inverse 4 root x by 1 minus 4x ধরে y equals to tan inverse 4 root x by 1 minus 4x or y equals to tan inverse 2 into 2 root x by 1 minus 2 root x whole square or y equals to 2 tan inverse 2 root x. Then dy by dx equals to 2 into 1 by 1 plus 2 root x whole square ddx 2 root x equals to 2 into 1 by 1 plus 4x into 2 by 2 root x equals to 2 by root x into 1 plus 4x. x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square ধরে y equals to tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square by y equals to 3 tan inverse x. অতএব dy by dx equals to 3 by 1 plus x square. 3 এর 1 x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় tan inverse 1 minus root x by 1 plus root x where y equals to tan inverse 1 minus root x by 1 plus root x equals to tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse root x by y equals to pi by 4 minus tan inverse root x অতএব dy by dx equals to t dx pi by 4 minus ddx tan inverse root x equals to 0 minus 1 by 1 plus root x whole square ddx root x equals to minus 1 by 1 plus x into 1 by 2 root x equals to minus 1 by 2 root x into 1 plus x. x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় cot inverse 1 plus x by 1 minus x ধরে y equals to cot inverse 1 plus x by 1 minus x equals to tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x by y equals to tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x then dy by dx equals to 0 minus ddx tan inverse x equals to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. হচ্ছে x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় tan inverse a plus bx by a minus bx ধরে y equals to tan inverse a plus bx by a minus bx equals to tan inverse 1 plus bx by a divided by 1 minus bx by a অর্থাৎ a দিয়ে লগ আর হরকে ভাগ করছি বা y equals to tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse dx by a. So dy by dx equals to 0 plus 1 by 1 plus bx by a whole square ddx bx by a equals to 1 divided by a square plus b square x square by a square into b by a ddx x equals to a square by a square plus b square x square b by a into 1 equals to ab by a square plus b square x square x এর সাপেক্ষে খরচ নির্ণয় tan inverse a plus bx by b minus ax ধরি y equals to tan inverse a plus bx by b minus ax equals to tan inverse a by b plus x divided by 1 minus a by b into x equals to tan inverse a by b plus tan inverse x but dy by dx equals to 0 plus 1 by 1 plus x square equals to 1 by 1 plus x square x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় tan inverse e cos x minus b sin x by b cos x plus a sin x ধরি y equals to tan inverse e cos x minus b sin x divided by b cos x plus a sin x equals to tan inverse a by b minus tan x divided by 1 plus a by b tan x equals to tan inverse a by b minus tan inverse tan x equals to tan inverse a by b minus x by dy by dx equals to d dx tan inverse a by b minus d dx x but dy by dx equals to 0 minus 1 but dy by dx equals to minus 1 চারের এক x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় tan inverse cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x ধরি y equals to tan inverse cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x equals to tan inverse cos x by cos x minus sin x by cos x divided by cos x by cos x plus sin x by cos x equals to tan inverse 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x equals to tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse tan x equals to pi by 4 minus x but dy by dx equals to d dx pi by 4 minus d dx x equals to 0 minus 1 অতএব dy by dx equals to minus 1 x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় tan inverse sec x plus tan x equally y equals to tan inverse sec x plus tan x equals to tan inverse 1 by cos x plus sin x by cos x equals to tan inverse 1 plus sin x by cos x equals to tan inverse 1 plus sin 2x by 2 divided by cos 2x by 2 equals to tan inverse cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 সমানের জায়গায় বসালাম প্লাস sin 2x by 2 এর জায়গায় 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 equals to tan inverse cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square divided by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 equals to tan inverse cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 equals to tan inverse 1 plus tan x by 2 by 1 minus tan x by 2 equals to tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse x by 2 equals to pi by 4 plus x by 2 but dy by dx equals to ddx pi by 4 plus ddx x by 2 বা dy by dx equals to 0 plus half equals to half. এই নাম্বার x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় tan inverse cos x by 1 plus sin x equals to tan inverse cos 2x by 2 divided by 1 plus sin 2x by 2 equals to tan inverse cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 divided by cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 equals to tan inverse cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square equals to tan inverse cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 equals to tan inverse 1 minus tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan x by 2 equals to tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x by 2 equals to pi by 4 minus x by 2 but dy by dx equals to d dx pi by 4 minus d dx x by 2 but dy by dx equals to 0 minus half equals to minus half. এবার x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় sin inverse second bracket 2x root over 1 minus x square second bracket close. ধরি y equals to sin inverse 2x root over 1 minus x square. অতএব y equals to sin inverse এখানে 2 sin theta root over 1 minus sin square theta লিখতে পারি, কেননা x equals to sin theta হলে theta equals to sin inverse x equals to sin inverse 2 sin theta cos theta equals to sin inverse sin 2 theta is to 2 theta equals to 2 sin inverse x. অতএব dy by dx equals to 2 divided by root over 1 minus x square. x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয়। cos inverse second bracket 2x root over 1 minus x square second bracket close. ধরে y equals to cos inverse 2x root over 1 minus x square x equals to cos theta হলে theta equals to cos inverse x বা y equals to cos inverse 2 cos theta root over 1 minus cos square theta equals to cos inverse 2 cos theta sin theta equals to cos inverse sin twice theta equals to cos inverse third bracket cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta third bracket close equals to pi by 2 minus 2 theta equals to pi by 2 minus 2 cos inverse x. অতএব dy by dx equals 2 by root over 1 minus x square. x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয়। sin inverse second bracket 2ax root over 1 minus a square x square second bracket close. ধরি y equals to sin inverse 2ax root over 1 minus a square x square. এখানে ax equals to sin theta হলে theta equals to sin inverse x. So y equals to sin inverse 2 sin theta root over 1 minus sin square theta into the same bracket close bracket equals to sin inverse 2 sin theta cos theta equals to sin inverse sin twice theta equals to twice theta equals to 2 sin inverse x বা y equals to 2 sin inverse x but dy by dx equals to 2 by root over 1 minus a square x square ddx x equals to 2a by root over 1 minus a square x square. 4 নম্বর x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয়। sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube ধরে y equals to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube x equals to sin theta হলে theta equals to sin inverse x. বা y equals to sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta equals to sin inverse sin thrice theta equals to 3 theta equals to 3 sin inverse x. So dy by dx equals to 3 by root over 1 minus x square. x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় tan inverse x by root over 1 minus x square. ধরি y equals to tan inverse x by root over 1 minus x square. এখানে x equals to sin theta হলে theta equals to sin inverse x বা y equals to tan inverse sin theta by root over 1 minus sin square theta equals to tan theta tan inverse sin theta by cos theta equals to tan inverse tan theta equals to theta equals to sin inverse x. অর্থাৎ dy by dx equals to 1 by root over 1 minus x square. 5 এর 6 x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় tan inverse root over 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. ধরে y equals to tan inverse root over 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. x equals to tan theta হলে theta equals to tan inverse x বা y equals to tan inverse root over 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta equals to tan inverse sec theta minus 1 by tan theta equals to tan inverse 1 by cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta by cos theta equals to tan inverse 1 minus cos theta by cos theta divided by sin theta by cos theta equals to tan inverse 1 minus cos theta by sin theta equals to tan inverse 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 equals to tan inverse tan theta by 2 equals to theta by 2 equals to half tan inverse x বা y equals to half tan inverse x অর্থাৎ dy by dx equals to 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square. x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় cot inverse root over 1 plus x square minus x. ধরি y equals to cot inverse root over 1 plus x square minus x. এখানে ধরি x equals to tan theta, তাহলে theta হবে হচ্ছে tan inverse x. y equals to হলে cot inverse root over 1 plus tan square theta minus tan theta equals to cot inverse sec theta minus tan theta equals to cot inverse 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta equals to cot inverse 1 minus sin theta by cos theta equals to tan inverse cos theta by 1 minus sin theta equals to tan inverse cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 divided by sin square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2 minus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 equals to tan inverse cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 whole square equals to tan inverse cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 equals to tan inverse 1 plus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan theta by 2 by y equals to tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse tan theta by 2 equals to pi by 4 plus theta by 2 by y equals to pi by 4 plus half tan inverse x. Then dy by dx equals to d dx pi by 4 plus half d dx tan inverse x equals to 0 plus half into 1 by 1 plus x square equals to 1 divided by 2 into 1 plus x square. x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় tan inverse 1 by root over x square minus 1 ধরি তো x equals to cosec theta যদি হয় তবে theta equals to cosec inverse x বা y equals to tan inverse 1 by root over cosec square theta minus 1 equals to tan inverse 1 by cot theta equals to tan inverse tan theta equals to theta equals to cosec inverse x. The dy by dx equals to minus 1 by x root x square minus 1. number x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় sin inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square ধরি y equals to sin inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square y equals to sin inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta x equals to tan theta ধরে y equals to sin inverse cos twice theta equals to sin inverse third bracket sin pi by 2 plus minus twice theta third bracket close y equals to pi by 2 plus minus 2 theta বা y equals to pi by 2 plus minus 2 tan inverse x by dy by dx equals to d dx pi by 2 plus minus d dx 2 tan inverse x by dy by dx equals to 0 plus minus d dx 2 tan inverse x equals to plus minus 2 by 1 plus x square. 4 x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় tan inverse root over 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x, অর্থাৎ y equals to tan inverse root over 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x equals to tan inverse root over 1 minus cos 2x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos 2x by 2 equals to tan inverse root over 2 sin square x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2 equals to tan inverse tan x by 2 equals to x by 2, but d dx y equals to d dx x by 2, the dy by dx equals to half. x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয়। tan inverse root over 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x, ধরে y equals to tan inverse root over 1 minus x by 1 plus x, x equals to cos theta করলে theta equals to cos inverse x, the y equals to tan inverse root over 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta equals to tan inverse root over 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by 2 cos square theta by 2 equals to tan inverse tan theta by 2 বা y equals to theta by 2 equals to half cos inverse x, so dy by dx equals to half minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square equals to minus 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square. तीन नंबर x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয়। sin second bracket 2 tan inverse root over 1 minus x by 1 plus x second bracket close, so the y equals to sin 2 tan inverse root over 1 minus x by 1 plus x, x equals to এখানে cos theta অর্থাৎ theta equals to cos inverse x বা y equals to sin 2 tan inverse root over 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta equals to sin 2 tan inverse root over 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 equals to sin 2 tan inverse root 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by 2 cos square theta by 2 equals to sin 2 tan inverse tan theta by 2 equals to sin 2 theta by 2 equals to sin theta equals to sin cos inverse x by dy by dx equals to cos into cos inverse x dx cos inverse x equals to x into minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square equals to minus x by root over 1 minus x square. 4 cos inverse 1 plus x by 2 to the power half, এটাও x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় কত বলছে, ধরি y equals to cos inverse 1 plus x by 2 to the power half, সুতরাং এখানে x equals to a cos theta হলে theta equals to cos inverse x, y equals to cos inverse 1 plus cos theta by 2 to the power half equals to cos inverse 2 cos square theta by 2 divided by 2 to the power half equals to cos inverse cos twice cos theta by 2 by y equals to theta by 2 equals to half cos inverse x by dy by dx equals to minus 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square. সাথের এক y equals to sin to the power 4 first bracket cot inverse root over 1 plus x by 1 minus x first bracket close হলে দেখাও যে dy by dx equals to minus half into 1 minus x দেওয়া আছে y equals to sin to the power 4 cot inverse root over 1 plus x by 1 minus x equals to sin to the power 4 cot inverse root over 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equals to sin to the power 4 cot inverse root 2 cos square theta by 2 divided by 2 sin square theta by 2 equals to sin to the power 4 cot inverse cot theta by 2 equals to sin to the power 4 theta by 2 equals to sin theta by 2 to the power 4 equals to sin square theta by 2 whole square by y equals to 1 by 4 2 sin square theta by 2 whole square equals to 1 by 4 into 1 minus cos theta whole square by y equals to 1 by 4 into 1 minus x whole square. অর্থাৎ dy by dx equals to 1 by 4 ddx 1 minus x whole square equals to 1 by 4 into 2 into 1 minus x to the power 2 minus 1 ddx 1 minus x equals to minus half to 1 minus x y equals to cos second bracket 2 sin inverse first bracket cos x first bracket close second bracket close হলে দেখা হচ্ছে y1 equals to 2 sin 2x y equals to cos 2 sin inverse cos x equals to লেখা যায় cos 2 sin inverse sin pi by 2 minus x equals to cos pi minus 2x equals to minus cos 2x by dx y equals to ddx minus cos 2x the y1 equals to 2 sin 2x আটার এক x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয় tan inverse x square by e to the power x plus tan inverse e to the power x by x square ধরে y equals to tan inverse x square by e to the power x plus tan inverse e to the power x by x square equals to tan inverse x square by e to the power x plus cot inverse x square by e to the power x equals to pi by 2 অতএব dy by dx equals to d dx pi by 2 equals to 0. x এর সাপেক্ষে অন্তরজ নির্ণয়। sin inverse x plus sin inverse root over 1 minus x square ধরি y equals to sin inverse x plus sin inverse root over 1 minus x square বা y equals to sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. অতএব dy by dx equals to d dx pi by 2 equals to 0. The answer.